A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when wisdom is ignored. The cosmos teaches. Ladies and gentlemen, humanity was personally sculpted by the Master Creator, a design of astonishing intelligence, gifted with a brain capable of perceiving, imagining, and realizing infinity. Every sense was meant to serve as an antenna, receiving data from existence and translating it into understanding. The human brain, coded within the vast geometry of DNA, holds an untapped library of wisdom, capable of aligning consciousness with the divine intelligence that governs all creation. In this divine architecture, human beings were not just meant to survive, they were chosen to awaken, to nurture life, and to uphold truth through compassion, courage, and awareness. Each thought, emotion, and experience is an entry in the grand ledger of evolution. Through sensory engagement and self-reflection, the brain refines its capacity for discernment, transforming raw experience into wisdom. Yet, modern life, dazzled by comfort and speed, often silences this process. Convenience has become a curtain that hides truth. Desires dominate decisions. Fear shapes action. And wisdom is summoned only when experience has already delivered its lessons through pain. Wisdom rarely arrives wrapped in comfort. It is born through curiosity, observation, and the discipline of inner stillness. The human system, physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual, is like an interconnected energy grid. When aligned in resonance, this grid becomes a living conduit to the cosmic intelligence, allowing guidance and clarity to flow naturally. Science now echoes what ancient seers once intuited. Coherence in brain waves, heart rhythms, and breath patterns expands perception and harmony, a biological reflection of spiritual alignment. The cosmos is not distant, it is responsive. It listens, observes, and gently intervenes when imbalance grows too loud to ignore. Cosmic law, which sustains all order, is not punitive but corrective, always seeking to restore harmony between thought, action, and truth. When humans drift from this order, life itself becomes the teacher. Circumstances rise like tides, sometimes subtle, sometimes overwhelming, drawing attention to what was neglected. In those moments, the universe speaks the language of experience, firm yet compassionate. What's the way forward? The wise choose to learn through awareness, not through suffering. They cultivate wisdom daily through reflection, learning, and by allowing silence to become their teacher. For in silence, the cosmic signal becomes audible. In the stillness between thoughts, the universe whispers its truths. Wisdom is not about accumulation, but attunement, not about power, but alignment. It flowers when the mind, heart, and spirit move in rhythm with the cosmic order. The path forward then is neither resistance nor retreat, but receptivity. To live consciously is to live in communion with the invisible intelligence that animates every atom and breath. When humans listen deeply, act truthfully, and align with that frequency of truth, life ceases to punish. It begins to guide. Pain gives way to clarity. Confusion dissolves into direction. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the law of the cosmos is immutable. Every soul must learn. Those who ignore wisdom are taught through experience. Those who listen to wisdom are taught through grace. To evolve consciously is the higher choice, for it transforms struggle into strength and experience into enlightenment. As Lord Krishna profoundly declared in the revered Bhagavad Gita, in this world there is nothing so purifying as knowledge. He who is perfected in yoga finds this truth within himself in due time. To hear that truth early, one must simply become silent and listen. For when wisdom is ignored, the cosmos teaches. But when wisdom is embraced, the cosmos celebrates. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.